Hi, my name is Kaylee Annan and I live in the Estates at Pinnacle in Grove City, Ohio, and we've lived here for about 3 years and we've loved getting the High Point Living magazine since moving here. We use it for a resource to find different businesses in our community. We love the community profiles and getting to know some of our neighbors, and I love all of the events and kind of having those activities in the community to plan on for our family. I also do a golf outing every year, Birdies for Babies, which benefits the March of Dimes, and I've been able to partner with several of the advertisers in the High Point Living magazine to help promote our event and find great partnerships. So it's been an invaluable tool to me, and I know that it wouldn't be possible without the generous support of all the advertisers and sponsors. So thank you for your support. Thank you for making High Point Living possible.